Hello YouTube, my name is Vincent and I'm a tour guide with Wonders of London, and we're going to be showing you guys around London, showing you some of the famous places of London and famous locations and some unknown locations of London as well. So if you want to check out more amazing London content, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And today I just wanted to show you a little bit of Tower Bridge from Potters Fields, where we are. And Potters Fields is a lovely little park just by London Bridge Station, and you've got a lot of the glass buildings here, like the building we're looking at, the round looking building over there, which is City Hall. And City Hall is of course where the offices of the Mayor of London can be found. And in fact, from Potters Field Park you actually have an amazing view of Tower Bridge. So do look at Tower Bridge over there. We can see it popping into view just in the distance, and we're going to get a better view of Tower Bridge in a few moments. But have a look at this, spring is coming, so in a few weeks all of these patches of grass and plants are going to be so beautiful, and it's one of the most amazing parts of London. It looks dry now because we're still in winter, but if you have the opportunity, be sure to visit it in spring and summer, and you've got such a beautiful little garden, and it is right next to one of the most famous, iconic parts of London, which of course is the Tower Bridge. And we're going to see the Tower Bridge in a few moments, but before we do so, I love bees, and of course Albert Einstein is believed to have said, if the bees disappear from the face of the earth, mankind will have 4 years to live. And we should of course always look after our bees, and that's one of the reasons we have a lot of the flowers that are going to be coming in spring in Potters Field. But we also have a lot of these things popping up all over London, and they're insect, bug and bee hotels, and they're places for insects and bees to come and just relax and chill. So it is quite a phenomenal thing. And this particular installation is known as Insects in the Park. So always look out for those little things when you walk around London. It's one of the reasons I love London so much, because you've got these iconic structures, these iconic scenes like Tower Bridge, which is slowly coming into view just over there behind the trees. But you've got so much more that you can discover in this phenomenal, big, beautiful city that is London. I honestly think London is the greatest city in the world. And as you can see just over there, Tower Bridge is coming into view. Fantastic bridge that is. Have a look at that. Now, if you want to walk over Tower Bridge, it's an amazing experience. And in fact, on top of Tower Bridge, you've got a gangway, a couple of gangways that you can walk over from one tower to the other. You do need to get tickets to walk over that particular section, but you can walk over the lower section of Tower Bridge. And of course, we're going to do another video walking over the lower section of Tower Bridge. So if you want to watch that video, do hit subscribe and like this particular video, because that video will be following, and it will be part 2 of our Tower Bridge videos. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I've been Vincent from Wonders of London. Do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.